Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Biography of Athletes.
Today I will back with another Indian youngest most popular handsome cricketer Harshal Patel lifestyle, biography and more things in this video. I hope you will like this video. Harshal Patel was born on 23/11 to 1990 in Sanand, Ahmedabad in the state of Gujarat, India. He is an Indian cricket player who has performed for Royal Challengers Bangalore in 2012 IPL. If you love this video to the end, then don't forget subscribe our channel and press the bell button for more updates. Harshal Patel biography. Real name, Harshal Vikram Patel. Nickname, Harshal. Occupation, professional cricketer. Ethnicity, Asian, Indian. Zodiac signs, Sagittarius. Date of birth, November 23, 1990, age 30 years. Place of birth, Sanand, Gujarat, India. Nationality, Indian. Religion, Hinduism. Education, HA College of Commerce, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Net worth, INR 25,600,000. Harshal Patel cricketer career. Batting style, right-handed bat. Bowling style, right arm fast medium. Playing role, bowler. Current teams, Royal Challengers Bangalore, bowler. Haryana cricket team, bowler. Harshal Patel family details. Father, Vikram Patel, aviation industry executive. Mother Darshana Patel, retail industry executive. Siblings, Archita Patel, sister. Tapan Patel, brother. Harshal Patel girlfriend name. Devarshi Joshi, 2016 present. Harshal Patel physical stats. Body types, athletic height, 5 feet 9 or 175 kg weight, 75 kilograms or 165.5 lbs. Body measurements, chest, 38 inches, waist, 30 inches, biceps, 12 inches. Eye color, dark brown hair color, black. Distinctive features, toned physique, side parted, wavy hair, affable smile, sports a trimmed beard. Harshal Patel unknown facts. He had a stellar 2008-09 season in the Vinu Mankad Trophy, the premier limited overs domestic competition for men's under-19 cricket in India. He had scalped 23 wickets at a scarcely believable average of around 11, a performance that had played a key role in his selection for the 2010 ICC Under-19 Cricket World Cup. Harshal was later selected to play one-day cricket for Gujarat in the 2009-10 season. Around this time, his family was planning to move to the United States. But his brother Tapan Patel and his coach Tarak Trivedi had insisted that Harshal should stay on in India, as they both believed that he had the ingredients to carve out a successful career in the sport. As he struggled to get a spot in Gujarat's first-class team in the following season, he had made a quick decision to leave the state team and play. He made his Ranji Trophy debut for the team in the 2011-12 season and made an immediate mark as the team embarked on a fairy-tale run to the semi-final of the tournament. He had recorded consecutive 8-wicket hauls in the quarter-final and the semi-final of the tournament, performances that had earned him a contract with the Royal Challengers Bangalore for the 2012 season of the IPL. In April 2021, in the very first match of the IPL season, he had recorded splendid figures of 5/27 in Royal Challengers Bangalore's last ball win over double defending champions Mumbai. He, thus, became the first player ever in the history of the IPL to claim a 5-wicket haul against the Mumbai Indians. This was also his best ever bowling performance in the tournament. Harshal Patel house address. Harshal Patel lives in a luxurious house which is located in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India.